The origin of the name Bharat is related to which majestic king of ancient time? Bharat Chakrabarti. Which is the largest city of India? Mumbai. Which is the largest state of India? Rajasthan. How many states are there in India? 28. Which is the longest river of India? Ganga. Which is the widest river of India? Brahmaputra. Which is the longest dam in India? Hirkut Dam. The longest tunnel in India? Chennai Nashri Tunnel. The tallest statue of India is Statue of Unity. When was the first women university established in India? 1916. India first women university is SNDT Women's University. Where was India first women university established? Mumbai. Who was the first Indian woman to get gold medal in Asian Games? Kamaljeet Sindhu. Who was the first woman to climb Mount Everest? Bachendri Pal. Who was the first woman IPS of India? Kiran Bedi. Who was the first woman governor of India? Sarojini Naidu. Who was the first woman judge in the Supreme Court? Fatima Bibi. Who was the first and last Governor General of independent India? C. Raja Gopal Acharya. Who became the first Prime Minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. When did Jawaharlal Nehru become the first Prime Minister of India? 15th of August 1947. Who became the first woman Prime Minister in India? Indira Gandhi. The first President of India is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who was the first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize? Rabindranath Tagore. Who was the first President of Indian National Congress? Umesh Chandra Banerjee. Who was the first Indian astronaut? Rakesh Sharma. The first Indian woman to reach the South Pole? Reena Kaushal Dharamshaktu. When was the first Indian film Raja Harishchandra produced in India? 1913. From which word is the English name of India derived? From the word Sindhu. Which is the least population state in India? Sikkim. Which is the first Indian color film? Kishan Kanhaiya, who was the first Viceroy of India. Lord Canning, which of the following is the oldest mountain range? Arvili, the first woman Chief Minister of India. Sucheta Kripalani, which is the largest river of India? Ganga, in which state of India most of the Narmada rivers flow? Madhya Pradesh. Who was the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha? G.V. Mavalankar. Indian first world champion in chess? Vishwanathan Anand. The first Indian woman cricketer to score a double century? Mithali Raj. First woman Lok Sabha Speaker? Meera Kumar. Who was the first Home Minister of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. First Indian to get Nobel Prize in Physics? C.V. Raman. First Indian to get Nobel Prize in Medicine? Dr. Hargobind Khurana. First Indian to get Nobel Prize in Economics? Amartya Sen. First Sikh Prime Minister of India? Dr. Manmohan Singh. The first Indian woman to receive the Nobel Prize? Mother Teresa. The first woman to receive Bharat Ratna? Indira Gandhi. First woman doctor of India? Anandibai Gopal Rao Joshi. What does the dark saffron color of the national flag represent? Strength and courage. Which color remains at the top of the national flag tricolor? Dark saffron color. Which color remains in the middle of national flag tricolor of India? White.